visas for Chinese students. What we do know is that they are now giving much stronger scrutiny, much stricter scrutiny to new applicants in China for student visas. But those Chinese students who are already here, we didn't hear that there is a wave of revocation.
I see. It's just so much confusion, as you said, and fear among many people, especially those who are not U.S. citizens yet, and still even U.S. citizens are scared. One particular case was, I know you've heard this before when we discussed this on the program, the Filipina who was a green card holder who went back home to the Philippines. And according to the Philippine embassy, they had been able to give consular assistance to this individual who was finally achieved the cancellation of removal. This Filipina visited the Philippines and then on her return was, I think, denied entry on the basis of her past criminal record, meaning like about a scam, embezzlement, that she has paid for and that she thought everything was okay, and this was committed years ago. So, Attorney Golan, if you're a green card holder, or a U.S. citizen for that matter, if you've had criminal cases even long time ago, in the past, is that a reason for denying entry back to the United States or even cancellation of your status?
Look, there's a big difference between a green card holder and a U.S. citizen.
Okay.
I don't think that a U.S. citizen can be denied entry to the U.S. I don't think that a post of entry they are able to cancel citizenship. No way. No way. Now, if you have a green card and in the past you had some criminal case, they may dig it up and they may make a decision that it was a mistake to give you the green card. So they can write you up for a hearing in immigration court, but they cannot make the final decision on taking away your green card.
I see. So she was detained for a couple of months and gladly she was given. What is the meaning of cancellation of removal, Attorney Golan?
Cancellation of removal is a procedure that is for the benefit of the immigrant or the alien, but can be done only in immigration court and only if the government starts a deportation case against you. If the government starts a deportation case against you, you may apply for cancellation of deportation or cancellation of removal if you meet certain conditions. There are conditions that you need to meet, and then you may apply for this cancellation of removal. It is not an easy procedure. It's a pretty difficult procedure. Not many people succeed in it, but many times it buys you time to stay in the U.S. a longer time. If you succeed with cancellation of removal, you do get a green card.
Oh, I see. So in other words, this individual, this Filipina, Llewellyn Dizon, who was assisted by the consular office, who got a cancellation removal, has to still take some steps to be able to get an approval and become a green card holder legally in the United States. Is that correct?
Look, when you say that the Philippine consul helped her, assisted her with cancellation of removal, I really don't know what is the meaning of those words, cancellation of removal.